Hey everybody, Mom H with Honey Hollow Homestead. Oh, well, hold on a second. Always not good. Oh, hit the button, forgot to put the lock on it. Anyway, yeah, as you know, I've been sanding fence pickets to put a wall on my front porch. And I had the palm sander that was given me by my brother-in-law. And I was starting to have an issue with the sandpaper coming off of the pad, and it just was not staying on there. I finally I rigged it so that it will hold the very coarse paper, but if I have to sand something with a finer paper, it just wasn't going to stay. So I was looking for some other options, and I found this pad for the angle grinder on Amazon, and it came with some sanding discs. It's the hook and loop stuff that's very popular. I thought, well, you know what? That's cheaper than buying a whole new sander. So I figured I'll give it a shot. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try sanding this. I've got my boards up here, and I'm going to see how well I do with it. Yes, I did watch a YouTube video on if there's any special technique to it. So let me just adjust the angle here. There we go. All right, let's see how we do. I don't really have a way of securing it. There we go. Get that out of my way. Well, let's see what happens. Okay. Well, I certainly didn't expect that to happen. I thought I had this on correctly. Hmm. Well, I guess that, see, the video that I saw had it, had this outside nut on it. Let's see here. They said to keep it on there because they thought the thing was too long. And I didn't want to lose it, so that's why I kind of kept it on there. keep that in my pocket for now. Let's see if this is any better. Well, okay. Obviously, there's a bit of a pull on it. I don't know if you can see. I know that I had this put on here correctly, okay? And you can see how it's not, it's been pulling on it, okay? And I don't know, the video that I saw suggested that it's best to use a variable speed angle grinder. Well, I don't have an variable speed angle grinder. I have my Ryobi angle grinder. So, I don't know. I can tell you, the video also said to use just a light touch, which I did. I think it's going to take a little bit more practice. I don't know. Maybe I didn't have that pushed down enough. I don't know. But there's obviously a pull on it. So, and I also notice there's a lot of vibration in my hands, both in this handle and holding it here. Okay. So, I mean, I'll still use it. It's better than nothing. I think the palm sander was easier to use. It's just the paper wasn't staying on it. So, like I said, this wasn't that expensive, and it came with various grades of sandpaper. So I figured, well, dollar-wise, it might be a decent value, especially if I like it. Well, we obviously have issues with it. I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I'll continue using it. I got to get these boards sanded and get them up. So, because I got a million other things I need to get done. I'm just trying to finish the front porch. I got just enough boards to finish the one side of the front porch. So that'll give the cats a windbreak for the little cubby I bought for them. since they have to stay outside. So anyway, this is Mom H with Honey Hollow Homestead. I'll get it done, but now you know. I don't know, maybe this is just a cheaper version that I got from Amazon. Is there a better quality one out there? I don't know. I'll be looking further into it, but you know, anyway, when it came off the, sorry about that, I'm on a hill. Yeah, when it flew off the angle grinder, it didn't hurt me at all. No damage at all. Just a bit of a surprise. So, well, back to work. I'll talk to y'all later. See ya.